Hello everybody, my name is Gerardo Zarate Salazar. My partner Jennifer Hernandez and me are going to explain how speakers' mouths move when they produce the sound of language. We are going to focus on explaining affricative consonants, nasal and approximates. This is an interesting topic. First, we have to know that when we produce the sound, we use some organs of our speech apparatus, and in this picture you can see that one of them is our lips, our teeth, our alveolar ridge that is just located behind of our upper teeth. Behind of the alveolar ridge we have the palate, also called hard palate. Below we have our tongue, and finally we have the velum, or also called the soft palate. And as you can see, there are another, but these are the most important to understand this topic. Well, in this part I'm going to show you how we can produce the sound of affricate consonants. But what are the affricate consonants? There are consonants that begin stopping air in our mouth and ends with its expulsion. For example, we have the phoneme ch, and is alveolar ridge. What it means? It means that the word check is produced between our tongue and our alveolar ridge. The sound is produced in this part. Here, for example, ch, ek, ch, stop air, and finally I end the expulsion. Check, check, check. Another example, church, church, church. The last phoneme is j, j. Is alveolar ridge because the sound is produced too between our tongue and our alveolar ridge. In this part is produced the sound. For example, large, large, and huge. So to practice, I'm going to show you some another examples. Please repeat with me. Chose, chose, choose, chess, chess, yet, jet, and jump, jump. So easy and so funny.
On the other hand, we have the nasal consonants. They are consonants whose pronunciations involve that the air flows out through the nose. Like in the phoneme M, we use more the lips, like in these examples, mint and lemon, mint, lemon. As you can see, use more our lips, and in the phoneme and balloons, use more balloons, like for example in this word, sing, and in the word finger, sing, finger, sing, finger. And in the phoneme and alveolar rain, use more alveolar rain, like for example in these words, no and then, no, then, no, then, no, then. The nasal consonants are M, N, and this is rare of that Spanish speakers find confusing, and they are called nasal because when pronunciation, then at some point we close our mouth and the air passes through the nose. We saw in the previous examples, and other examples could be art, the words mouth, significative, and send. And please repeat with me: mouth, yes, of course, very good, and repeat: significative, Okay, yes. And repeat sent. Okay, very good. And on the other hand, we have the approximate consonants. These sounds may be breaking to articulate organs close together without the touching as some leads the body. Like for example, in the phoneme W, we have the balloon, and the phoneme J, we have the pilot. In the phoneme W, we have the word with and window, with, window, with, window. And in the phoneme J, we have the words yes and yellow, yes and yellow, yellow. Okay, with respect to place of articulation, the further back in the oral cavity, the more difficult it is for language to distinguish between approximates and fricatives, because that part of the oral cavity is narrower. Last we can see in the approximates examples. And other examples are white, word, you, year. Please repeat with me these words. White, okay, very good. Word, yes, of course. You, yes, and year. Okay, very good. And it's all for these consonants, and it's all in this video. I hope it has helped you, and see you next time.